Have you ever wondered how safe online dating really is? Well, in the 21st century, online dating has become as common as grabbing a cup of coffee. It's a bustling digital marketplace, teeming with hopeful singles seeking that special connection. But just like any marketplace, it's not immune to scams. Yes, in the midst of all the love and romance, there lurks a darker side. The rise of online dating scams has become a growing concern, with fraudsters exploiting the platform to prey on unsuspecting daters. They weave intricate webs of deceit, aiming to swindle both hearts and wallets. But don't let this deter you. Online dating can indeed be a safe space to explore and form meaningful relationships. The key lies in staying vigilant and informed. So how can you protect your heart and your wallet while navigating the online dating world? Let's dive in. So, what are the red flags you should look out for in online dating? As we navigate the digital landscape of love, it's essential to arm ourselves with knowledge about potential scams. One of the earliest signs you might encounter is a profile filled with inconsistencies or vague information. If their story seems to change every time you chat, that's a big red flag. Then there's the case of the too good to be true photos and descriptions. If the person you're talking to looks like they've stepped straight out of a magazine, and their life reads like an adventure novel, it might be time to question their authenticity. Also, be wary of anyone rushing into a serious relationship. Love takes time to bloom, and pressure to commit early on could indicate a scam. And finally, always be cautious if they request personal or financial information. Always trust your instincts and don't be afraid to take a step back if something feels off. Now that you know the warning signs, what can you do to protect yourself? Well, one of your greatest allies in the world of online dating is a reputable platform. These platforms have built-in safety measures and actively work to weed out fraudulent profiles. It's like having a bouncer for your love life. But don't just rely on the platform. Protect your personal information like it's a secret family recipe. Be cautious about sharing financial details. Remember, your love interest doesn't need your bank details. Also, don't be shy about playing detective. Verify profiles and photos to ensure they're genuine. A quick reverse image search can often reveal a scammer. Set boundaries for your online conversations too. If someone is pushing those boundaries, it might be time to bid them adieu. And lastly, always remember that it's your online world and you get to make the rules. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. What should you do if you suspect you're being scammed? No need to panic. Let's walk through the steps together. First and foremost, gather any evidence you can. Screenshots, emails, messages. These can be invaluable in establishing a case. Once you've done that, it's crucial to cease communication immediately. Block the scammer on all platforms you've interacted on. Now, it's time to report. Start with the dating platform you met on. They have processes in place to handle such issues and can take immediate action. But don't stop there. Reporting to relevant authorities such as your local police or the Federal Trade Commission can help prevent others from falling prey to the same scam. Finally, inform your friends and family. They can provide emotional support and help you stay vigilant. Remember, this isn't something you have to deal with on your own. Don't be afraid to reach out for help. You're not alone in this. Being targeted by a scam can be a tough experience, but it's important to remember that it's not your fault. It's a chance to learn and grow. Reflect on what happened, identify the red flags you may have missed, and adjust your approach to online dating. It's all right to seek professional counseling if the experience has left you feeling vulnerable. Reach out, talk about it. Your voice can empower others too. Remember, it's okay to take a break and take care of yourself first. Online dating can be a great way to meet people, but it's important to stay safe. Always remember to trust your instincts, balance openness with caution, and consistently review and update your online presence. Remember, love can indeed be found online safely. If you've had experiences or have tips to share, please do so in the comments section below. Your insights could be the key to helping others navigate the online dating world. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and do share this video with your friends and loved ones. Let's spread awareness and keep each other safe in the online dating world.